Greetings, I hope you are fine. Let's get to the lesson number 2 now. Let's get into something little more technical. Stick with me because this is Tajweed really comes to life. We are talking about Noon and Meem Mushaddad. So first, what does Mushaddad mean? It's a symbol. Mushaddad letter is a doubled letter. Here's how it works. It are two letters of the same letters take it together, but the first one has no vowel, it's a sukoon, and the second one has a short vowel like fatha, dhamma or kasra. So when you see the sign of the shaddah, it's like the zigzag shape. That's what has happened. Here is the rule. The meme or noon, when it have shadda on it, you must apply ghunnah for 2 beats. 2 beats mean like the stretching. What's mean by ghunnah? It's the nasal sound. It's a sound come out of the nose, and if you hold it for 2 counts, it's like stretching. Just like you hold a note for a second or stretching for 2 beats. Here's a bonus tip. If you are stopping on a word that ends with noon or meem mushaddad, you still apply ghunnah for that letter, and you don't drop it just because you are stopping on it. Let's get to some example. The word thumma, the meme has shadda, so you apply ghunnah for 2 beats. Inna, the noon has a shadda. Annahum, the noon and meme both have shadda. Annahum. The word mimma, the meme has shadda, so you apply ghunnah for 2 counts. To sum it up, when you see noon or meme with a shadda, head another ghunnah for 2 counts, whether you are continuing or you are stopping on it.